Welcome to our channel. Auto Invest on Binance allows you to automate cryptocurrency purchases on a regular schedule, making it easy to build your portfolio consistently. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Log in to your Binance account and navigate to the Earn section from the main menu. Look for Auto Invest among the earning products listed. Step 2. Click on Auto Invest to access the feature. You'll see options to create a new Auto Invest plan or view existing plans if you've set any up previously. Step 3. Select Create Plan and choose which cryptocurrency you want to invest in regularly. Popular options include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB, but many coins are available. Step 4. Decide on your investment frequency. Binance offers daily, weekly, or monthly investment schedules. Choose based on your cash flow and investment strategy preferences. Step 5. Set the investment amount you want to allocate each period. Start with an amount you can comfortably afford without affecting your daily expenses or emergency fund. Step 6. Choose your payment method from your available Binance wallet balances. Ensure you maintain sufficient balance to cover your scheduled investments. Step 7. Review the plan summary showing your selected cryptocurrency, frequency, amount, and next investment date. Verify all details are correct before proceeding. Step 8. Confirm and activate your Auto Invest plan. You can modify or pause the plan at any time, and Binance will send notifications before each scheduled investment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.